Check if only one variable in a list of variables is set. I'm looking for a simple method to check if only one variable in a list of variables has a true value. I've looked at this logical XOR post and is trying to find a way to adapt to multiple variables and only one true. Example.
There isn't one built-in, but it's not too hard to roll you own. Since the Booleans are a subtype of plain integers, source, you can sum the list of integers quite easily, and you can also pass true booleans into this function as well. So these two calls are homogeneous. If you want explicit boolean conversion, sum bool x for x in args equals 1.
I think the sum-based solution is fine for the given example, but keep in mind that Boolean predicates in Python always short-circuit their evaluation. So you might want to consider something more consistent with all and any.
The question you linked to already provides the solution for two variables. All you have to do is extend it to work on n variables. Here's my straightforward approach. I've renamed it only _1 since XOR with more than one input is usually a parity checker, not an only one checker. Testing.
Getting to the goal now, need assist swapping.